To use this smart spreadsheet called utilization ratio extractor, user must open this smart spreadsheet first, then open the relevant STAAD file. One thing user has to confirm whether or make sure rather that the STAAD file from which user is expected to fetch the results is supposed to be in the post-processing mode, means analysis has to be completed. Then you can come back to the smart spreadsheet. There are two buttons provided. First one, clear all. Let us press it. It will clear the whole table. Then you can press on extract utilization ratio table. This is the button. It will ask for the confirmation again. The confirmation is related to the STAAD file. It tells you or basically displays the name of the STAAD file from which it is trying to extract the results along with its storage location. If it is acceptable, then I will press yes. If I will press no, it will terminate the program. I will say yes for the time being, and as you can see, still in progress. That is what it indicates. It is fetching the results. As soon as it completes the fetching results, it will populate one message box telling you that the process is complete. As you can see, task accomplished successfully is the message displayed by the smart spreadsheet. Utilization ratios for all the members extracted successfully. We can see the table is populated and all these utilization ratios. Basically, it has given us beam number, material for that assigned for that particular beam, property, section property, along with the utilization ratio. As you can see, this is the whole table. As you can go through, this is the table. We can even check whether the utilization ratio extracted by the program are correct or not. For that purpose, I will do one thing. I will, for example, 1111 to 1115, I will select those members from the STAAD file. Starting from 111 to 115, view, selected, and now I will do one thing. I will ask STAAD to show utilization ratios and also the beam numbers. As you can see, beam number 111 has utilization ratio of 0.28 exactly fetched. 112 has 0.302, 113 with 0.728, 114 with 0.798, and 115 with 0.615. We can also check whether section sizes fetched by STAAD are correct or not. For that purpose, I will do one thing. Now, 111 is IP 450, 112 is also IP 450, 113 is NPB 450 250 into 10 thick. So exactly matching. Same is the case 114 and 115. So the results are correctly fetched. There is one more basically worksheet provided under this workbook, that is you are selected. This is you are all. It means it fetches utilization ratio of all the members. Now if I want to do some specific task, I mean, for example, I want to fetch utilization ratios of certain members which I select in this STAAD file. For example, I will select these members, I want to fetch results of only these members which I have selected in the STAAD file. Then I need to take help of this worksheet. Go to this worksheet, press on clear all button, press list beams. It will ask for the confirmation again. These are the members I have selected in the STAAD file. So I will do one thing. Instead of utilization ratios, I will switch on its number. As you can see, it's starting from 1251 to 1260. These are the members. 1260 correctly populated. Again, it has started somewhere around 73 to 80, I guess. So 73 to 80. I will click this extract UR button. Now, if I switch on this results page utilization ratio, you can see randomly will see for this 1275 utilization ratio is 0.47, exactly matching, and the member size is star 75 by 8. One more member we can see 1254, for example, star 75 into 8 0.357, 1254.57 and star 75 into 8.